Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off blocked download in Google Chrome. Start by opening your Google Chrome and go to the three dot on the top right. And go to Settings. Under Settings, find the option called Privacy and Security, and under it go to Security. Here under Safe Browsing, you will get different options like Enhanced Protection, External Protection, or No Protection. If your downloads are being blocked, just toggle the No Protection on and click on Turn Off. Turning off protection gives you full control, but this should be used carefully. You just disabled Chrome's block download by adjusting safe browsing settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.